Finding replacement parts for your refrigerator can be a hassle, but the S-Union Whirlpool Fridge Drawers 2-pack offers a convenient solution. This set includes 2 essential drawers. First, you get the W11162443 Crisper Drawer. It controls humidity. This helps keep your fruits and vegetables fresh longer. Imagine it as a tiny climate-controlled room. Your produce will stay crisp and vibrant. Second, you also receive the W11162446 Deli Drawer. This drawer is perfect for meats and cheeses. It keeps these items neatly organized. It also helps them last longer. Both drawers are specifically designed. They fit Whirlpool fridge models like WRS325SDHZ and WRS555SIHZ03. So, installation is usually a breeze. Therefore, these drawers truly upgrade your fridge's storage. Furthermore, these S-Union Whirlpool Fridge Drawers 2-packs seem well made. They feel sturdy. They are not flimsy plastic. You can expect them to last also. They are easy to clean. Just wipe them down. No complicated steps are needed. Consequently, maintaining a clean fridge becomes simpler. Moreover, the clear design lets you see contents easily. This means less digging around. It also helps you spot expiring items ultimately. This set offers a practical improvement. It makes your fridge more functional. Therefore, it is a smart investment. Think of it as giving your fridge a mini makeover. In conclusion, for anyone needing new fridge drawers, consider the S-Union Whirlpool Fridge Drawers 2-pack. It provides 2 crucial components. The Crisper Drawer extends produce life. The Deli Drawer organizes meats and cheeses. Both fit specific Whirlpool models. They are also durable and easy to maintain. Ultimately, these drawers enhance your refrigerator's utility. They help you organize food better. Furthermore, they contribute to less food waste. Therefore, this pack is a valuable addition. It helps you keep your food fresher. It also makes your fridge more efficient. Thus, it's a worthwhile upgrade. Pros: perfect just like the original ones, fit perfectly, sturdy, organizing so much easier, great. Quality and value: will fit a Mana model AC2575 Gray 05 exact drawers, nice solid drawers, not likely to crack or break, fit just fine, easy to use, hold a lot, easy to clean, good quality. Clear replacement bins: hope these will last another 18 years. Cons: didn't fit our refrigerator, arrived cracked, a bit expensive though, my original didn't have the gray, be sure to measure before buying. Features: 2-pack, upgraded design, Crisper Drawer, humidity control, Deli Drawer, Whirlpool compatible, WRS325SDHZ compatible, WRS555SIHZ03 compatible. Replacement parts, easy to install. This product is a 2-pack of replacement drawers for Whirlpool refrigerators. It includes an upgraded Crisper Drawer with humidity control and a Deli Drawer. These parts are designed to fit Whirlpool models like the WRS325SDHZ and WRS555SIHZ03. They are easy to install and offer a simple way to replace your old or broken fridge drawers. These S-Union replacement Crisper and Deli drawers are a great way to organize your Whirlpool refrigerator. Many people found that they fit perfectly, were sturdy, and made organizing much easier. They are made of good quality, clear plastic and are expected to last a long time. However, some customers reported that the drawers did not fit their specific refrigerator models, arrived cracked, or were a bit expensive. It's important to measure your fridge before buying to ensure a good fit.